Alright mga amigos, naging prangka ang Hall of Fame boxer na si Timothy Bradley sa mag-amang Devin at Bill Haney. Ito ay matapos mapabalitang tinatarget ni Bill Haney para kay Devin, ang Unified World Super Welterweight Champion na si Jaron Boots Ennis. Ayon kay Bradley, dapat maghinay-hinay itong si Bill Haney dahil kung iniisip daw po ni Bill na easy work para kay Devin, si Jaron Boots Ennis, naku po, isang malaking pagkakamali ito. Bad style matchup daw po si Boots para kay Devin, ayon kay Bradley.
Hey, Bill. Hey, look, I get it. Nobody want to fight your son's ass or whatever, but you need to calm your ass down, man. You thinking Boots is soft, man. You thinking Boots is easy work, man. I promise you, man. I'm telling you, that's a bad style matchup for freaking Devin Haney, man. For real.
Dagdag pa ni Bradley, ang reason nga daw kaya hindi pa natutuloy yung rematch ni Haney at Ryan Garcia ay dahil nag-aalala ang kampo ni Haney na sa lakas ni Ryan Garcia ay iniisip nilang naka-steroids ito. Ngayon, kapag suntok daw po ni Boots Ennis ang natikman nitong si Haney, mga suntok na mabilis at malakas, iisipin din daw po ng kampo ni Haney pagtapos ng laban na naka-steroids si Boots Ennis.
Yeah, y'all worried about the reason why y'all ain't fought damn Ryan Garcia is because y'all think he on that dinosaur meat. Yeah, y'all think he on that dinosaur meat, so that's why y'all ain't stepped in there and fought him. Shit, boy, when you fight Boots, shit. Oh, you ain't up against no dinosaur meat, but you up against one of the athletic, strongest dudes at 147 from 147 to 154 pounds, man. For real. Boots gonna let them hands fly, man, from where they are. He ain't gonna fall in on your ass either. He gonna throw them combinations, boy. Them mugs gonna be fast and hard, bro. You gonna think he on that shit. Well, after the fight, you gonna think he on that shit for sure.
Alam naman daw po ni Bradley na mahusay din si Devin. Maaari sa mga unang rounds ay makakapuntos ito at makakakuha ng rounds. Pero habang tumatagal daw po ang laban, uutay-utayin daw po ni Boots itong si Haney hanggang sa tuluyang manakaut. Kaya tigil-tigilan daw po muna na magamang Haney ang paghamon kay Boots Ennis dahil hindi pa sila ready sa ngayon.
Yeah, Dev is smart. Yeah, oh yeah. Davis is more calculated with his approach. Yeah, he will have some success. But he gonna get his ass chopped up and chopped down and Philly walked. That's what he gonna get. He gonna get his ass Philly walked down. Philly gonna run straight through Devin's ass and he gonna get his ass stopped. Yeah, by Boots Ennis. Stop playing with the Boots name, man. I promise you, bro. For real. Don't bark up that tree, dog. I promise you, man. He ain't ready yet. He not ready yet.
Samantala sa iba pang balita, sa wakas may laban na po si WBO World Featherweight Champion Rafael El Divino Espinoza. Ayon sa ulat, makakalaban ni Espinoza ang kanyang mandatory challenger na si Lorenzo Parra ng Venezuela. May kartadang 24 wins, 1 loss, 1 draw with 18 knockouts. Ito po yung tumalo kay Elijah Pierce noong Pebrero sa pamamagitan nga po ng second round TKO. Ayon din sa ulat, ang bakbakang Espinoza at Parra ay magiging undercard sa bakbakang Saul Canelo Alvarez at Christian Mbili sa darating na October 31 sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Hawak ang kartadang 28-0 with 24 knockouts mula nga po ng agawin ni Espinoza. Ang titulo kay Robeisy Ramirez noong 2023, ito na po ang kanyang ikalimang beses na pagdidepensa ng kanyang WBO World Featherweight title. Malasahin ang baraha, patunayan mo sa akin.